Good morning and welcome back to the Apex Suspects. Today I'm going to Garage Bavarian's BMW and BREWS. So Will has actually recently got a job there, and yeah, they're hosting a kind of coffee morning, which they have done before, which I've been to, but didn't film a while back. But yeah, it's going to be a good day, some nice BMWs and vehicles alongside some good food and drinks, so come along and let's see what they've got. Hi, how are you doing?
Do you want to go round to the side?
Yeah.
And then park parallel on like the side that's closest to the
Perfect,
unit?
no problem.
I'll come
Thank
out
you.
and help you.
How you doing, Bruce? You alright? I'm good, how are you?
Do you want to just tuck it as close as you can get it to this 7?
Yeah, that's all good.
Mate.
No problem.
Keep going. You've got a bit more to go. Keep going. Yeah. A bit more. A bit more. A bit more. Cool. Perfect.
Thank you. So that is BMW and BREWS all over and done with. Unfortunately, thunder, lightning and a lot of rain kind of ended the event, but it did last within the expected time frame. Really nice to see Will, his car that we built on the channel, so go check out those E36 build videos if you haven't. It's been a little while since I've seen him, but thanks to Jake as well, the owner of Garage Bavarian, for having us. Great event as always.